everyone, today I am adding a new product into my skincare routine and the product name is Vitamin E Nourishing Sheet Mask which is from Studio West. So the product has vitamin E which is amazing for hydration, glow and anti-aging. So let's go step by step and I will explain how it works on your skin. So first we need to prepare our skin. So here I am using Cetaphil cleanser. Cleansing ensures that my skin is free of dirt and oils so the product can be absorbed better. And I use Cetaphil cleanser because it's so mild, so free and removes all dirt and oils from the skin without stripping it. Here I am wiping my face with wet cotton just to show you. At this step you can also rinse your face with water, and this step is super important because clean skin helps better absorption. And now I am going to apply this sheet mask, and this sheet mask is infused with vitamin E, and as we all know that vitamin E is one of the most powerful antioxidant, which means it deeply hydrates our skin, repairs skin damage and protects from free radicals. And now I have to make sure that it's properly fitted on my face so that every area of my face can soak up the serum evenly. And now I will leave this mask on for 15 minutes so that vitamin E can penetrate into the deeper layer of the skin. And because vitamin E is an antioxidant, it neutralizes free radicals, which is the main reason behind dull skin, fine lines and early aging. This sheet mask also strengthens the skin barrier, which means your skin can hold on to moisture for longer and stay plump and healthy. In simple words, this sheet mask protects, repairs and hydrates all at the same time. And after 15 minutes I remove the mask and you can see some extra serum left on the skin, and that is like liquid gold, means we do not have to waste it. We will gently pat it into the skin, and patting actually helps to push the serum deeper. And now you can see all the serum has been absorbed by the skin. After all these steps I will seal my face with moisturizer, and I always use Cetaphil Dam moisturizer. I believe that this step is also very important. And now I am done with it. And one thing which I always keep in my mind during my skincare routine, that I always apply this Vaseline on my lips, nose corners and eyes corners, and you can clearly see the result that my skin is so hydrated. So from now on this vitamin E sheet mask is going to be a part of my skincare routine. I hope you liked my video. See you soon. Bye bye.